In this video, I will show you how to zoom with your mouse. If you want to start with me and practice, you can load the file AY_basis. I use the function load design and choose the file AY_basis, confirm with open. To zoom with your mouse wheel,
you have many possibilities.
First possibility, you can use the Shift key on your keyboard and the mouse wheel. With this way, you can position the cursor at the place you want to zoom in or out, and control the zoom movement by the cursor position. Have a look. If I position the cursor on this point at the shoulder, the zoom window will be centered on this point. With Shift, it's also possible to grab the selected area of your screen with the left mouse button. It's important to know, you don't move the pieces, you only move the area around it. Using the Shift key, you have a 2-in-1 function. Zoom and grab the area to move it.
Another possibility.
You can use the Control key on your keyboard and the mouse wheel to zoom central in and out. With this possibility, the position of the mouse is not relevant. The center of the zoom is the center of the screen. If you want to see the complete screen and all the pieces on your screen again, you can press the button A. It's the hotkey for the function Zoom All.